Hello, I'm Yaika Sabat, the Manager of Reader Services at NoveList.
And I'm April Maza, a Learning Engagement Specialist at NoveList. We've both had years of experience working in libraries, and we're both avid readers. But it took us lots of practice to learn how to use story elements to strengthen our book recommendations.
We're going to help speed up that process for you with our course, Using Story Elements with Readers. When you understand story elements, it becomes easier to guide readers. It's like being a literary matchmaker.
In this class, you'll learn what story elements are and how they can be used to make personalized reading recommendations. We'll also discuss how to engage with readers, ask the right questions, and uncover their preferences. And we'll show you how to use story elements to enhance your displays, book lists, and more.
Story elements empower us to recommend books effectively. But it's not just about the book, it's about the reader's experience. If you work with readers, you know that everyone is unique. By understanding story elements and learning the language, you'll be able to tailor your recommendations to individual tastes, finding just the right book for the moment.
Using story elements with readers is a virtual, self-paced course available through Learn with NoveList. For more information, email novelist@ebsco.com. We hope to see you in the course.